In this short video, I'm going to show you how to extract your layers from Illustrator into multiple resolutions for your mobile game. Here's the design that my wonderful designer friend Linda has provided. She's given me a lot of layers for each screen, which is great because now we can break these up into smaller components that my script can extract as individual PNG files for each of the 5 resolutions that I'm going to be supporting in my code. So here we have a background layer. We have our logo, we have some header elements, we have a footer, we have a little blank space here at the bottom, and let me show you what that's for real quick. Here's the sample banner ad that will be displayed on the screen. The position for the banner ad takes up about 40 pixels at the bottom of the screen. However, because not all Android screen sizes are going to be the same height, so the ratio will be slightly different, I want each one of these elements to be separate PNG files that I can position independently of the screen size. So if I need to move this footer up a tad, I can do that in code. But I need that footer to be a separate layer. So what I'll do is I'll create sublayers. I'll create 3 sublayers. Whoop, not that one. 2, 3. I'm going to name them with a £. The script that I use looks for the £, to know how to clip the layer to its visible boundaries. So I'm going to call this one footer. I'm going to call this one header. Now I want to drag the header elements onto the header layer. And drag my logo. Now we have our header. It's a little bit out of order. So let's drag this one up. There we go. Now I'm going to drag the footer group onto the footer layer. And finally, I'm going to drag the background group and path. Alright. I think that's out of order again. Let's see. Nope, that's correct. So now we have a main layer. It does not have a £. We have a header, a footer, and a background layer. Now the script looks at the layer visibility to determine which ones you want to extract. So we're going to turn off all of our other layers except for the one we're working on. And I have it all set up right now the way I want. So I'm going to go to my export directory. I'm going to delete everything that's there. The script will export all the files into the same directory as your source Illustrator file with a folder name of export. So we go to scripts, export layers as PNG. As you can see, it turned off all the other layers and it's working one by one. And the white area is the artboard, so it will not be exported. Okay, so it's finishing up. A little elevator music while we wait. We should be able to see some output in our folders already. You can see that it created subfolders for each resolution size that I defined in the script. You can download the script from the GitHub link in the description of this video. So here's my background. Here's the footer, and here's the header. Perfect. The script also has there's two different modes. You can set put a %. Let's see how this looks differently. I'm going to open header, and now I'm going to run the script again so we can compare. Oh, wrong button. File, scripts. Try it again. Okay. As soon as it switches to another layer, I'll be able to open. Oh, what happened there? So you can see that using the % symbol exports the entire artboard. But using the pound symbol, I'll open footer as an example, only exports the visible area of that layer. So that's how the script works. Alright, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Comment and subscribe below.